Guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Nick, and in today's video we will be going over an Experian hack, how to get 3 free credit reports every single week. That's right, 3 free credit reports every week. And we ain't talking about the VANTAGE credit report, the VANTAGE score, nothing like that. We're talking about FICO, the thing that matters. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Go ahead, make myself a little smaller over here. So first off, why? So why does this even matter? Why do we need to do a hack? So typically, you are allowed one free 3 bureau credit report per year. So this is a law that they have to give you a free credit report every year from the 3 bureaus. So that's TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. But if you want to monitor your credit like most people do on a monthly basis, you must pay for a credit service, which is money out of your pocket, or use an inaccurate app such as a bank app. You got the Capital One, the Bank of America's, things like that. And Credit Karma is another popular one that use VANTAGE scores instead of FICO scores. So VANTAGE is their own scoring system, okay? That's Credit Karma's scoring system. And then you have FICO. FICO is what the banks look at. FICO is what the banks pull. FICO is your real credit score, okay? So, and they vary. So, pull out your Credit Karma right now and then pull up your Experian app, and you will see a disparity in the scores on both of them because they are using different factors or whatever the case is. But the only thing that matters is FICO. So we don't want to look at anything other than a FICO score. So Experian credit scores are based on FICO, which is the scoring system that banks use to determine whether to lend you credit or not. Right now, Experian, from personal experience, is the best place to pull your credit from because they give you the FICO score, they give you the full breakdown, and they do all 3 bureaus. So to me, that's the best place if you're looking for an accurate score. So how? The question now is how. So how does the hack work? So when you sign up for an Experian, they always offer you a free 7-day trial on one of their upgraded services, which all include a 3 bureau credit report. So the key is to sign up for the free trial, then check your credit, and before logging off, go ahead and downgrade your credit. You know what I'm saying? So you're basically canceling the free trial. You're going back to a free membership. So you can have a free membership where you get a score I think your Experian score updates every month, but you may not get the other ones for like every year or something like that. But you can always upgrade. That's why they offer you the 7-day trial to try it out. So you're going to get the 7-day trial, and then you're going to downgrade it once you get your credit report. So you're back to free. You're not spending no money. So at the end of the 7 days, they will offer you the exact same service for an additional 7-day free trial. That is where the hack comes in at, guys. They have something in their system where even if you did the free trial, they continue to offer you free trials. If they see that you are not currently on a membership, they will try to offer you a free trial. Again and again and again, okay? We've been doing this for years, guys. It works, okay? So you can do this as often as you like. Just remember to downgrade your membership before the 7 days, or you will be charged. You will be charged. A little extra tip, you can add a card that you don't use and lock it to avoid being charged if, for instance, you ever forget to downgrade. Use your Cash App card, you'll be able to lock it, things like that. A card with no money on, whatever the case is. A dummy card, there's certain sites that sell free trial card, stuff like that. Just use one of those if you're a forgetful person and you don't want to, downgrade for whatever the reason is before logging out. So this right here is what the page will look like, okay? It will say, protect your privacy, get your info removed from the premium for 7 days. So basically, they want you to upgrade to Identity Works Premium, try it for 7 days. And then you see all this stuff over here that they're offering you: personal privacy scans and removals, 3 bureau credit monitoring alerts. That's the main thing we're looking for, okay? The 3 bureau credit monitoring reports. And then quarterly 3 bureau FICO scores. So that means every 4 months. But don't worry, we're not sticking with this. We're going to cancel it and get it again. And then you guys can read all this other stuff. The main thing we want is the 3 bureau credit report. That's all that matters. And as you see, your order summary is $0. They're not going to charge you anything to do this, to sign up for the free trial. And then here they explain that their scoring is calculated on the FICO Score 8 model, which is not VANTAGE. FICO Score 8 is what the banks use, so it's very good. And then here's the fine print for the payment information. So I'll go over it really quick. When you complete your order here, you will begin your 7-day trial membership in Experian Identity Works Premium. You may cancel your trial membership at any time within the 7 days without charge. If you decide not to cancel, your membership will continue and your credit card will be charged $24.99 plus applicable sales tax each month you continue your membership. You may cancel your membership and stop the monthly billing by contacting us at any time. However, you will not be eligible for a prorated refund of your current month's paid membership fee. All right, so clear as day, guys. They let you cancel it within the 7 days, just like any free trial. So just make sure you go ahead and cancel it, and then after that 7 days, wait, cancel it. You know what I'm saying? And then next week, 2 weeks later, log in and try it again. See what happens. See if this page right here pops up when you're trying to log in, and they offer you another free trial. Then you just do it again. And then you do it again, then you do it again. I mean, it just depends on how many, credit reports you need, how often you're checking it. But this is just a good tool to have in your back pocket if you want to save $24.99. You know what I'm saying? So this is what your membership plan should look like once you downgrade it. It should be Experian CreditWorks Basic free. This is after you downgrade it. This is what it should look like in the back end. And let's go ahead and recap. So you're going to sign up for Experian and the 7-day free trial, okay? And then you're going to download your 3 bureau credit reports. You can go ahead and get all 3 of them, TransUnion, Equifax, Experian. And then you're going to downgrade the membership. After you get those 3 credit reports, go ahead and immediately downgrade the membership before 7 days. But I'm saying do it before you even log out. Do it all in the same sitting. And then you're going to rinse and repeat every 7 days. You can do it, I don't see really a reason to check it every 7 days. Maybe once a month, once every 2 months is more realistic. But nonetheless, you can do it every 7 days if you wanted to. And that's the process, man. Real easy, simple hack. Not a lot of people know about it. I tell people, they're like, I've never, you know what I'm saying? It's just from trying different things. And it works. Try it for yourself. Let me know in the comment section below if it worked for you. And if it did, go ahead and tell a friend or a family member and see if it will work for them as well. And possibly, help them get a grip on their credit, help them, get a better view of their credit, a more accurate score than, the free apps that they have. This could be a solution. It could help. So that is the end of the video, guys. I want to thank you guys again for watching. Always, I appreciate it. And go ahead and smash that like button. Help get this video out to more people. Go ahead and tap that subscribe button. Help us with our current goal of 1,000 subscribers. If you have any questions about this video or anything else I talk about on the channel, go ahead and email me at info@tycoontalk.xyz, or you can leave a comment in the comment section below and let me know any topics you want me to cover or go more in depth about on the channel. I'll go ahead and make a video about it. And check the link in the description box below for my online store. I have a bunch of credit repair products, credit ebook, got the crypto ebook, crypto courses, everything you ever need is down in the description box below. Go ahead and check that out. And if you like this video, go ahead and check out the other videos on my channel where I talk about making money with cryptocurrency, real cryptocurrency, not the fake spammy stuff. I talk about consciousness, motivation, things like that, financial markets, a lot of information you can't necessarily Google. And if you enjoy this type of information, hacks and tips and tricks like that, you'll enjoy that information as well. And as always, guys, I want to thank you again and send infinite abundance to you now and forever, my friends. I will see you again tomorrow. Peace.